You're trying to share a photo or document through AirDrop, and it just won't go through. You keep tapping Share, waiting for the other device to appear, but nothing happens. Before you restart your iPhone or blame your Wi-Fi, there's a small, hidden setting that often causes this issue. Let's fix it in seconds. Start by opening the Settings app. Scroll down and tap General. Then tap AirDrop. Here, make sure it's set to either Contacts Only or Everyone for 10 minutes. If it's on Receiving Off, your iPhone won't accept AirDrop transfers at all, which is usually the main reason people run into problems. Next, double-check that both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are turned on. AirDrop needs both to detect nearby devices. You can swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to open the control center and confirm that both icons are highlighted. Also, if you walk out of range during a transfer, AirDrop can still finish the process, but only if both devices stay connected to the internet. So keep them close and within Bluetooth range. Once you've made these changes, try sending the file again. In most cases, your iPhone should immediately recognize nearby Apple devices and complete the transfer without issues. Remember, AirDrop works between iPhone, iPad, and Mac, and every transfer is encrypted, keeping your files secure and private. And that's it. If this video helped you get AirDrop working again, please give it a like and check out our other tutorials to discover more hidden iPhone features that make sharing and connectivity effortless. Thanks for watching.